Hello and welcome back to PixelMagic for another video on Illustrator. So today we are going to do a bag design, a carry bag design for a agriculture farm. The logo of this I have just uploaded a few weeks before. Now they have demanded to design a carry bag for them. All the concept is the design should be containing the logo and the product what they're selling, including all the small information like a contact number, Facebook page, and other things. All the details I'm going to show you, and it's a simple design, and using Mockup we're going to represent it how it's going to look actually after printing it onto a carry bag. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as of now I'm going to take a size of 9 by 4.5 inches of artboard. It depends, and it's also very easy to change the size after designing. That doesn't make any problem. Searching for the logo what I have already designed before. This design whole process you can watch it on my channel. Now I'm placing it. So whenever we are resizing, we have to press Alt and Shift, holding them and dragging it from the corner. It will be resized proportionately. Now the logo is ready. Now for the product part, what product we are going to represent, I just want to take some polygonal shape. It's not really polygon, it's a hexagon. Placing it properly at their end. There are 6 products, so I have to put it something which looks a little bit better one. This position will be fine. To move the object, we also can use arrow keys from a keyboard. We don't need to drag it through mouse. We simply press arrow keys to move it around. Any object if you want, just select it and press the arrow keys. Now for the letter part, what content we have, I have already noted down. I'll show you what is the what are their requirements and what I'm designing right now. These are products which should be printed on the carry bag. I'm making it middle alignment to center, and here align to artboard center. I'm checking whether all those hexagons are in proper position. I'm making it parallel to the top, alignment to the top. Now next text should be place your order online. These things need to be a little bit highlighted, so I just made it a little bit bigger, larger than the normal content. Next part, there should be some symbols like Facebook and the Gmail. So I'm already designed this one. The symbols. If you want to download it, I'll put a link in the description so that you can download these pre-defined logos. All these logos are customizable. You can change the color, you can change the shape, no problem. So here they want their Facebook page, and the Gmail should be just left to it. Okay, here I'm checking the size. So now I'm going to type the Gmail. Yes, but I just really forgotten the Facebook page of them. But I think I have already designed the food menu of this agri farm before. Let's see, there I can find out the Facebook page. I'm going to open that file. So here I have already designed this, so no need to. I'm just drag it down and dragging it towards the design page. Here I can directly put it, so no need what I have done just a minute before. So it's white. I need to change its background. Let's move aside to these things because it's no longer required right now. I'm moving it to proper size, ungroup it, and changing the background color of that particular shape. So here I need to reduce the size of both the shape, that Facebook link and the Gmail link also, and both should be same. Here I have grouped it so that it will move whenever we will move the whole shape, and later will be moved along. Aligning it, aligning to the selection and aligning it to the top. So this Facebook need to be little bit larger one. Yes, that's fine. Now these things I don't require. I just want to delete it, select it and delete them. Now next part is their contact numbers. I'm aligning to the center of the artboard. So this thing I need to align it to the left paragraph. Yes. Now here I have to put it the WhatsApp logo and the phone pay logo also. Phone pay logo I have already downloaded, so I'm going to import that one to Illustrator. Here a partition line should be there to make it a little bit different, because after it I'm going to put the phone pay logo. So to zoom in, you have to hold Alt and scroll the mouse upward so that it will be zoom in. To zoom out, you need to just do the opposite one. Now here is the phone pay logo. I'm just dropping it down because it's a little bit bigger, so we don't need to that much big enough. So I'm just dragging it to the design page here and resize it by holding Alt and Shift and dragging it from the corner. Yes, now some adjustment need to be done. I think it's a little bigger. Yeah, this one is enough. Okay, now it's time to type the numbers, the contact numbers what they have provided. This portion I need to have some space between characters so that it will match the below line. Yes, that's fine. Let's look better. Now almost the design is ready except the figures. So here I just want to make a copy out of it, all these 6 shapes. changing color to yellow, and selecting all the shapes and creating a copy of it. To copy it out, select all the shapes or whatever shapes you need, hold Alt and drag it down to make a copy. I'm just reducing it. Here I'm going to put all the product images, and by using clipping option, clipping mask, I'm going to put it to the hexagons. So the first one goes here, the mushroom symbol. This symbol needs to be upward before clipping it. Yes, I'm making it going to backward. Now select both of them, making some adjustments. Yes, okay. Now selecting both of them, right click, make clipping mask. It's done. Now place it onto the design. Yes, the same technique I have to apply for all the products but they have. Moving it to the page, here resize it, place the hexagon top of the picture, or make this picture to back of the shape, back of the hexagon. Now select both of them by making the adjustment. Now right click, make clipping mask. The rest of the things we have to follow along the same technique. I'm just speeding it away a little bit. So now all the images are in place. Now I'm just making some different some little bit changes. There is a spelling mistake, although place your order, there should be T, there should be R in place of T in your, but I did some mistake. I've already recorded it, so I could not change afterward, although in the final step I'll change it out. So here their tagline, expect more palace. So here I'm going to use some script language. This is Caution script, which is free of cost. It's a Google font. Placing it to the middle of the logo. Now changing the color to orange would be better than what I've given. Yes, and for others, the black one, I just want to change to little bit darker brown color. And as I've said before, that place your order part needs to be highlighted, so I'm going to use a rectangle over there. So here I'm changing the colors of the fonts. Now highlighting the place your order thing. I'm going to make it pure black and move it to the back of the design. Right click, arrange send to back. Yes, and place your order should be white. It will be better to look. Black white or black yellow will be better always. Now here I'm going to put a little bit addition, that non-base symbol what is used in India for non-base products. It's an optional one. I'm just using a little bit to make some value to the design. Well, aligning it to the middle of the square. Now making a group, select all and press Ctrl G. which will create a group of the objects. Now the overall design is ready. Now next part is to put it onto the mockup using Photoshop. That will show just a view how actual the bag will look like. Now I am exporting the image what I have designed in PNG format. That should be 300 and background should be transparent. And here in Photoshop I have already downloaded some mockup. These are the free mockups. So here I have to put the design. So I'm opening the design PNG file. Now dragging it to that layer, PSB layer. Now adjust the thing using the same Alt Shift, holding Alt Shift, dragging it from the corner. After resizing, just click on anywhere, then close it and press yes. Now move to the file, mockup file. Now you can see how beautiful it's looking like. Now I'm going to try some more mockup for this to have a better idea in different color how the logo and how all the contents will be look like. So here the mockup, all the things are hidden, so I have to put it press on that I button to make it visible all the layers. So here I have to put the design, so double click on that. These are the smart objects, so we can just replace all the shape whatever it is inside the design. We have to remove them and put our design in that place. Now drag them to that layer, PSB layer .psb. These are the format of smart objects using in Photoshop. Resize it, place it properly, then close this layer, and whenever it asks for save, press yes. Now I have to click over here, yes. Now you can see it's visible. And the same thing we can do for the left hand side. Just moving to a little bit lower portion. Here I have to put the design, to put it to show it on left of that light brown, light yellow you can say, in that color bag, how it's looking like. That's fine. Now save this one, layer 4.psb. I can see how it's looking like. I have already tried one white, one brown, light brown you can say, and another one is a gray color. So both three design will be sent to the client, and as per their requirement the next thing will be processed. So this is for today. It's a short one. It's a total design just took 20 minutes to design. You can try yours, and hope you enjoy guys. And if you like this video, then surely press the like button and subscribe button to get the subscription of the new videos, and click on the notification button to get the notification of newly added video. So thanks for watching. Thanks for today. Have a good day.